Hey, welcome. This is Joe from Joe's PC and Repair, and Joe the Cell Phone Geek. Hey, today we're gonna do a quick open box of the new Dell Venue 8. This is the 8-inch version with the 16 gigs of RAM built in tablet, and this is Android operating system on it. And this has got the Intel Atom Z2580 processor, which is a 2.0 gigahertz. It's Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, which is soon to be updated to the KitKat when that comes out. It's got an 8-inch display on it, like I was mentioning earlier. 16 gigs built in of flash memory and 2 gigs of RAM to run this little bad boy guy here. Picking it up, it's very light. It's supposed to weigh about 1 pound. The thickness is super thin, as you can see. And so we'll do a walk around of that. But basically what came in the box was a tablet here, a micro USB cable. It's USB to plug into your computer or into the charger, and the charging adapter, which has a USB on that. So you just plug this cable in, plug it into the wall to plug it in and charge it. So give me 1 second and I'm going to plug it in here. And this plastic actually peels off pretty easily. See if we can pull this plastic off here with one hand. I apologize, I don't have a tripod at the moment. Looks like you peel off these 2 back tabs. Once you peel off those tabs, then you can pull this piece off. And the tablet should come out like that. It says Dell shiny on the back. It's got that matte finish, just kind of like a rubbery feel. The front is the touchscreen glass, which obviously leaves fingerprints. You can see my fingerprints already on there. So a quick look around at it. On the bottom here, it's got the speaker, mono speaker on it. Well, it's supposed to be like stereo, but it's 1 speaker slot here. On the side here, we've got a plus and minus for volume, and the micro USB port is there. And on top is the headphone jack, which is a 3.5 millimeter jack, a microphone hole, pick up sound, their power button, and on the right side has one little slot here. You can pop open this door, and I believe that's where the micro SD card goes. Let's see if I can open that. Yes, that's for the micro SD card. So that is pretty cool. There is no SIM card slot, which it looks like would be right there. But this one does not have the SIM card slot. And that is pretty much it. Then the back's got the camera, of course, which I forgot what the megapixels is on the back and front camera. I'll look that up, and when I come back here once I plug this in, and I'll show you what it looks like booting up here. So it's basically the new Dell Venue 8 18 gigabit tablet Android. This is part 1. I'll have another part here of turning it on and setting it up for the first time. Alright, so I'll see you in a few.